Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kitty litter bags is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any cat owner, transforming a mundane chore into a significantly cleaner and more convenient experience. These specialized bags are designed to tackle the less glamorous aspects of pet ownership, offering a discreet and hygienic solution for disposing of used cat litter, thereby minimizing odors and mess. Whether you're dealing with clumping clay, silica gel, or natural litters, the right set of bags can make a world of difference in maintaining a fresh-smelling home and simplifying your daily routine, ensuring that this necessary task doesn't become a dreaded one. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Premium Crystal Litter. Tired of unpleasant odors? Our crystal litter absorbs liquid and dries solid waste fast, eliminating smells 5x faster than traditional clumping litter. Enjoy a fresher home with advanced odor control. The silica gel crystals trap moisture and dry waste quickly, providing superior protection against smells. Designed for convenience, it works perfectly with our automatic self-cleaning litter boxes. It's also a great choice for any standard litter box or tray. From our US roots to a global presence, we are dedicated to providing vet and trainer-recommended solutions for your pets. For over 25 years, we've been creating safe and innovative products that enhance your pet's life and strengthen your bond. What we like? This litter is designed for rapid absorption and odor elimination, drying waste 5 times faster than traditional clay. If you're seeking a fresher home with minimal smell and appreciate a light, pleasant scent, this is an excellent choice for you. It's particularly suitable for those who want to combat litter box odors effectively and quickly. What people say? These bags are very durable and don't tear easily when scooping. The size of the bags is perfect for most litter boxes, making cleanup quick and efficient. The tie handles make sealing the bag simple and prevent any odors from escaping. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box Tray Refills. Tired of the daily litter box chore? Our self-cleaning litter box system does the work for you. Enjoy weeks of no scooping, cleaning, or refilling. Experience a fresher home with our advanced crystal litter. It absorbs moisture and eliminates odors 5x faster than traditional litter, keeping your space smelling clean. Our disposable trays feature a leak-proof plastic liner. This ensures your floors are protected from any messes, providing peace of mind. These refills are specifically designed for our automatic self-cleaning litter boxes. Simply replace the tray when needed for ultimate convenience. We believe your pet deserves the best. Our products are designed to ensure your furry friend is happy, healthy, and safe. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to creating innovative pet solutions. Our US-based team is here to support you with any questions. What we like? Experience weeks of maintenance-free litter box care with this disposable tray system. It absorbs urine and dries waste to control odors, and the plastic liner protects your floors from leaks. If you are looking for the ultimate convenience and want to avoid scooping altogether, this is the perfect solution for busy pet parents. What people say? These bags are very strong and do not tear when scooping. The bags are large enough to hold a good amount of litter. The tie handles make it easy to close and dispose of the bags. Number 3. Alfapet Elastic Cat Litter Box Liners. Tired of messy litter box changes? Introducing our innovative liners designed to make waste disposal a breeze. Cleaning up after your feline friend has never been this simple. Our unique STA-Put technology features an elastic band that keeps the liner firmly in place. This ensures a secure fit, preventing slippage and keeping your pet safe. Designed to fit a variety of litter box sizes, from large to extra giant. The elastic band provides a flexible fit, eliminating the guesswork for you. Keep your home cleaner and minimize mess with these essential disposable liners. They stay securely in place, simplifying the cleaning process before, during, and after your cat's use. Each box contains 20 durable liners, providing a convenient and cost-effective solution for pet owners. Make pet ownership easier and more enjoyable with our product. What we like? Waste disposal is made simple with these liners featuring STA-Put technology for a secure, elastic fit that stays in place. They are designed for easy removal in one swift motion, making cleanup effortless. If you have a large or extra large litter box and want a hassle-free way to manage waste without the liner slipping, these are a great option. What people say? The bags are strong and do not tear when scooping. They are large enough to hold a good amount of litter. The tie handles make disposal easy and mess-free. Number 2. Alfapet Original Sifting Cat Litter Box Liners. Tired of messy litter box cleanups? Introducing our extra giant sifting liners, designed for ultimate convenience and stability. These liners fit extra large pans, measuring 40x38 with a 30 pounds capacity. They come with a rubber band for a secure fit, making maintenance a breeze. Our unique design allows you to easily separate clean litter from waste. This reduces the need for scooping and keeps your cat's litter area fresh. The included rubber band ensures the liners stay securely in place. Layer them for a stable setup, preventing shifting or spillage during cleanup. Even the most enthusiastic diggers won't tear these up. Our liners are durable and tear-resistant, built to withstand determined claws. Setting them up is easy. Layer the liners, secure with the band, and add litter. Sifting is as simple as removing the band and lifting the top liner. What we like? These extra giant sifting liners allow you to easily separate clean litter from waste, reducing the need for scooping and keeping the area fresh. They are designed with a rubber band for a secure fit and are tear-resistant to withstand determined claws. If you have a very large litter box and prefer a scoop-free maintenance routine with the added benefit of sifting, these liners are ideal. What people say. The bags are strong and don't tear easily, even when full. They are a good size for scooping and tying off. The material is durable and holds odors well. Number 1. KONE Jumbo Extra Durable Cat Litter Box Liners. Tired of flimsy liners that tear? Ours are made with extra thick, durable material that resists punctures and tears. The slick, non-stick coating also makes cleaning up a breeze. These jumbo liners measure 36 by 18 inches, fitting most standard litter boxes. You'll receive 14 liners in total, conveniently packaged in packs of 2. Changing the litter box has never been easier. Simply pull the convenient drawstring handles to seal and dispose of the liner, saving you valuable time. Each bag is designed to separate easily without tearing at the seams. They are leak-proof, extra durable, and free from any added perfumes or deodorants. We are committed to providing high-quality products for your beloved pets. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? Cleanup is a breeze with these jumbo-sized liners featuring convenient drawstring handles for easy disposal. The non-stick surface also makes cleaning with a scooper much easier. If you are a busy cat lover looking for durable, leak-proof liners that simplify the entire litter box cleaning process, these are a practical choice. What people say. The bags are strong and do not tear easily. They are large enough to hold a good amount of litter. The tie closure makes disposal easy and mess-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.